set up this morning, December 15th. Hadn't seen anything yet. It's about 7:30. Not much has been moving on the cameras, but season's getting close to being over. We still got 15 days and then 15 in January, so still trying to get it done. Archery ball burned out. See if anything comes by. Well, all I've seen so far is those 2 button bugs. Pretty cool seeing that one go over there and mess around with that scrape. But probably gonna get back in here about 3:30 this evening, so maybe some more show up this evening. But I'm gonna get out, do some stuff, and then back in here. Well guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Those 2 button bugs were right back out here when I got in, so couldn't really do an interview then, but nothing else showed up. So check back soon. Hopefully I'll have another video for you. Thanks for watching.